Hey everyone, in our previous class, we have seen how we can convert feet measurement to inches. And in today's class, we'll see how we can convert the inches measurement to feet in Python. So as you know, 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Okay, I'll take a variable inches and then I will take the input and print the message enter measurement in inches. So asking the measurement in inches from user. Now, if you all know that input function takes the value in the form of string, but as we want to calculate, we have to take the number. So we have to convert this input value or the string value to float. Okay. We can use a float method. Now I have the value in this variable, which is inches. I will use another variable, which is feet is equal to. Now I will use inches, the variable divided by 12. Okay. So when we divide our inches by 12, we'll get the feet. Now I have the answer in this variable. So I will print the answer. I will use inches. This inches is the variable name. Inches, the value inside the double quotes will be printed as it is. Inches in feet is, and then the value of this calculated value, which is feet, and then again comma, feet. Okay, I will save my program and then I will run the program. Suppose user enters 30. So the value will be 30 inches in feet is 2.5 feet. So which is 30 divided by, if we divide 30 by 12, we'll get the answer is 2.5 feet. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet in next class. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.